Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only going to use one account to kind of show you the beginner or start of this. And just putting a little bit of effort, you can make some money online very easily. All right, guys. Now, you might get better results than me, worse results than me. I'm just showing you the smallest and easiest effort is working for me, guys. Alright, guys. So anyway, you interested in following along, the links are in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And essentially, the main reason why I like promoting this product is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That's insanity. That's the highest I have ever seen, period. Alright, guys? It's the highest I ever seen. I've never seen anything close to that. So anyway, what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna refresh the page here, show you my real results. Make sure you understand that these are real results. When I refresh the page, it'll show it. It's very easy to change all of these numbers around to look like whatever I want them to look like. So that's why I'm refreshing the page here, guys. All right, go. All right, guys, it looks like I did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine. It's not a big deal. It'll be all right. So, from that point on, what we're gonna do here, guys, you're gonna wanna, if you're interested, I'm gonna show you how to make money very easily. All right, guys. So anyway, what you wanna do, you wanna get the all-in-one 25 bid. Once you click on my link below, the $25 business one, it'll take you to this page here. It'll take you to this page, and you can look up all the information you need. It makes sure it clarifies exactly what you're doing, exactly what you're getting into, and exactly what's happening. Now, this is a monthly subscription. That means you pay every month, guys. But in return, people pay you every month. So, for spending $25, you'll get $20 when somebody signs in on you every month. And for spending $125 for the other product, you'll get $100 every time somebody sends you. That means you only need 2 people in the system to make profit, so to speak. Now, don't get me now. Other products will, you need at least about 4 or 5 people before you start seeing profit. So I'm just showing you the hill that you're climbing up here is very small compared to other products. And what you want to do, guys, click on yes, I want all in. You can read all this if you want to, you know what I mean? Once you sign into the system, you will be on, not this page here, you'll be on a page like this. You'll get into this, you log in and all that good stuff. You'll go to the affiliate zone. Once you go to the affiliate zone, guys, this is very simple. What you do, you sign in for affiliate program here, right? You sign in, do all your stuff, you sign in, and you get all your information. Once that, then you log into SamCart. You log into SamCart right here. And SamCart is this right here. This is where you get all your links. This is the link we're going to use, the all-in-one $25 business. Now, see how simple that was? Now, once you do all of that, guys, you'll go over here. You'll click on the next link there. It say My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, you sign in. You sign in, get you an account, and get down here, right? You'll go to this page here. Remember, mailing system. You want to go to mailing system. Do not purchase the master email swipes. You do not need them at all, especially if you are using the $25 business here. You don't need them at all. I'm gonna show you why. Hold up real quick. So we're gonna go down here, and we're gonna use a link. We're gonna just use a new email here that I'm gonna use. Now, you can choose to copy my emails. I'm gonna just send this email, but let me show you a different way to get emails real easy. Once you're in the $25 business, guys, and you sign in, you on this page, right? Go to your HBA premium page. All right, guys. Now you got free. It should be free for like 2 weeks or whatever. But you go to Immersion Magic Content Machine. Now all you gotta do is say write an email promoting, right? And email, clickbait email. Exaggerating. These are the type of emails that do well on this, on the this system here. It's short, very clickbait emails, exaggerating the amount of money you can make. Put the all in one $25 business. Then you go to merging like that, right? Now what should pop up is an email. Taking them quite a while to load here. Okay, there we go. See that, guys? And that's the email right there. Boom. That's the title. That's what you can use. Boom, you get an email just that quick. You put it in the system right here. You put it in this system right here. You know what I mean? Get the link that I spoke from before. Remember the link, the $25 business link. Click perfect timing. And you click preview. Make sure your link works. And then you send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. You can do it very easy. I just showed you exactly what to do. It's so easy. It only took me 6 minutes to show you, and it's just easy. And every day after you get a certain amount of emails in here, say like 15, you get about 15 emails, just rotate them. So all you really got to do every day is just click in this, sign in, and just pick an email like I just did. Pick an email and just send. That's it. You do that every day. That take you less than a minute, maybe about 30 seconds at most to do that. So, and you can make up I'm making $500, guys. I'm making $500 extra a month doing this, guys. So I'm just showing you this because it's very easy to make money online. You just have to understand what works and what doesn't. Once you figure that out, because there's a lot of information out there, it straight up doesn't work. All right. So what I'm showing you here, this is something that does work. You just got to find the stuff that does work. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Links in the description below for everything, like I stated before. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.